sẽ luôn thật gần bên em, sẽ luôn là vòng tay ấm êm, sẽ luôn là người yêu em, cùng em đi đến chân trời, lắng nghe từng nhịp tim em.
I forgot to mention that I'll be using the iPad for this video, and the purpose of this video is using it on the iPad. But anyways, you want to go to Safari, Google, or any app you can use to search up, but you want to search up calligrapher. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but here's the word that you'll be needing to search up. And then you want to scroll down a bit and click start app. It might ask you to start an account first. I already have an account, so if you just make an account really quick and easy, sign in, and you want to go back to the website, and then you want to click the word that says create template. So once you click download template, it'll bring you to this page where there's like a bunch of letters with accents or no accents, punctuation, numbers, etc. And then on the left side, you'll see there's a bunch of like keyboard-ish font letters you need. For me, I want to use the minimal English, so I am choosing that. And then after that, I'm clicking download template. Make sure you choose the PDF, and then you want to download it. And after that, it'll give you to that screen, and you want to click the one that says calligraphertemplate.io. But anyways, it'll bring you to another tab, and you want to click download again. On the top right corner, you can see there's a little arrow going down, and you want to click the one that says, well, the template you just download, the name of it, so it'll be calligrapher template. And then it will bring you to your files, and then now you want to find the zip file of the name of the template again, and once you click the zip file, it'll give you a folder of the template and such. So you want to click into that folder, and in that folder it'll give you 4 PDFs. For me, I'm only using the first one, which is just like the punctuation and the capitalized letters and the lowercase letters, and that's really all I need. Top right corner again, there's a little button that says share, and then you want to import it to any writing app. For use, you can use Procreate, GoodNotes, or you can just import it to your iOS notes and you can just write it on there. For me, I am uploading mine to GoodNotes. So once I am in GoodNotes, I started to pick the pen or pencil, I don't remember, but the pen that I want to use, and then I just start writing the punctuation first, because like if you see in the top corner of like the little line, it says what letter to write. In this box, I'm just writing in what, yeah, if you know what I mean. It's kind of self-explanatory, but yeah, you just fill in all the boxes, writing all the boxes however you want, and yeah, just fill out the whole thing.
Trong đêm tôi vẫn đi tìm, thầm gọi người yêu xa. Giờ này anh đang nơi đâu?
So once you guys are all done, you want to save this as a PDF into your files. So if you're using GoodNotes, you want to click the share button again, and you want to do export this page, and only this page, don't other any other page by accident. So when I make it into PDF or an image, your choice. I'm doing mine as a PDF, and I'm exporting it to the files. After this, you want to go back into the website, the calligrapher website, and then you want to click where's the word my fonts. So when you're in my fonts, you want to click the word upload template, and it'll give you that screen. And then I chose to upload mine from browser, which is from my files, but you can also upload as an image if you save that as an image, and then you'll wait for it to process. Once you're done, it'll give you a result of the fonts of what you just did, and honestly, it's kind of good for me. I could have written better and such, but now you want to click build font, and this is where you're officially making your handwriting into a font. So yeah, pretty simple. You guys can overlook or just look through your fonts again that you just written and then build it, and you can adjust it too, which is fine and normal. So then you're gonna type in the name of your font, click save, let it process, and then it'll give you another preview of your fonts. You guys can start adjusting this, but for me, I really don't want to. But if you click the word share, you can like just start typing, and then you can see your font, handwriting-ish, is whatever you're calling it, is popping up. And then you want to go back and then you want to click where it says your font name, TTF, or your font name, OTF. I'm not really sure of what the meaning behind those abbreviation is, but honestly, you can click whatever each one, and then you're going to import it to any other app that you want to use. For me, I'm going to import mine into Fonto because I feel like that's the app where I use a bunch of fonts mostly. If you guys would rather doing this by hand and printing it out if you don't have like a digital device, so honestly you can just go back into files and you want to click on the template you want to do, click share, and then you want to print it out. Pretty self-explanatory-ish, but yeah, choose your printer, print it out. I feel like this is just me. If you're doing anything by hand, like on paper by hand instead of like digitally, I think this goes by faster, you know, because like when I did my iPad when I was writing it out, it took me about 5 minutes, but on actual physical paper it took me like 2 minutes, which is actually fast. I don't know why I'm talking about this, but yeah. Then you want to take whatever device you are writing your font on. Since I'm doing my iPad, I just took off the case and I just took like a quick good picture of the paper that my font that I wrote. You guys can also like use the cam scanner app that I have talked about before in my previous videos, and you can just scan it and then upload it into your files too. But for some reason I just decided to take a picture. So anyway, same steps as before. Go back into the Clicker for app, click your build font or upload template first, and then you want to click the image that you took a picture, or you want to upload the scan that you just took, and wait for process, wait the font to upload, and then you want to click build font and repeat the process like we did before and upload it into whatever app you're using. Here we go, guys. This is what my font ended up looking like, and I really like how it like developed, if you know what I'm trying to say, and how it's like fit everything into like a good spot ish. Well, basically, let's just say it did it good, and I liked it. And I just went back into Fonto to show you guys what it looks like, and I messed around, made different colors, give it outline, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure to like and comment down below any ideas you guys have on my future videos, and make sure to subscribe.